Hi guys! Today we learn how to create an account on Roblox. First of all, unlock your phone and open the Play Store. Search for Roblox in the search bar. Download and install the Roblox app on your phone. Once installed, open the app to start the sign-up process. Now open the Roblox app on your screen. You will see the login and sign-up options. Tap on Create Account to start making a new account. Now select your date of birth carefully. Make sure you enter the correct birth details. After selecting, tap on Confirm Birth Date. Now create your username on this screen. Try not to use your real name for privacy reasons. Choose a unique username according to availability. Now enter a strong password for your account. Make sure it is something you can remember easily. After entering, tap on Continue. Your account setup will now move forward. So guys, this is how you can easily create a Roblox account. Just follow these steps properly and your account will be ready in minutes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and share. And comment below for more Roblox tips and tricks like this.